Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square Payroll, run payroll for employees step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Square Payroll and press enter. Once the web page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you wish to keep your session active, check the Stay Signed In box. After filling in your information, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Square Payroll dashboard. From here, navigate to the Payroll section on the left-hand menu. Click on Run Payroll to start processing employee payments. Follow the prompts to select the pay period and employees you want to include. Review the hours and earnings for each employee to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on Confirm to proceed. Finally, submit the payroll to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message once payroll is successfully processed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.